Hi, in this video, we are going to see how you can actually switch between profile on Pinterest. Usually you have one of the profiles, personal or business. Maybe you want to just switch between them. So easily you can maybe post pins on your personal profile and then suddenly you switch and you just go to the business profile and you publish your pins. So in this video, we are going to see how easily you can switch between your both profiles without actually logging in and logging out. So let's go and see this video. My name is Michaela and I'm Pinterest Manager Strategist. I help businesses to see and use the full potential of Pinterest to grow and scale their business, but not only using Pinterest and also other marketing tools and of course email marketing softwares and other tips you can use for your online business. So today we are going to see the video about switching profile between personal and or both personal and business or between two business profiles without all the hustle and stress logging in and logging out. So we're going to see how easily you can just switch the profiles in this video. Right now, we see my business profile, Pinterest profile here, and on the top right corner, you can see this click. You can click here, this arrow, open this option, and there are a couple of options here. I'm here now currently in my Pin Inspiration Agency business profile, and you can actually see if it's a business or personal profile. Just write about the name of your profile. It's business. If you have here personal, it doesn't matter. It can be switched between business or personal or between two business accounts or any kind of profile you want to just switch, or just edit. So here we can see add account. If I click on it, you have a couple of options here how you can do it. So let's say you are logging to your business profile or you are logging to your personal profile and then you want to add another one. So you can switch between both profiles and just log into the one account. There are options like connect existing account. So right now, if you already have created the business profile or personal profile, you want to connect with this one, you can easily go connect your account and it will ask you for your email, for your password, and you just log in. So you can switch between both profiles, business and personal. If you don't have it, you can easily create new personal account or new business account and basically have it with another email address separated. The option here is create free business account. You can also create new business account and again connect it with the other one. So let's say I already have created business and personal. I have many accounts and I just want to connect one profile to my Pin Inspiration Agency. I will choose the first option, connect existing account. I'm going to choose here my account, which I'm going to connect. So for example, one of these, I'm going to connect, for example, one of these profiles here. I log into my already existing business profile. So you can see it in action. And now it will connect. I will directly go to this is my travel blog profile. And if I click on the top right corner here, you see now both. So if I want to go back to my agency profile, I just click on the Pin Inspiration Agency profile. And you will see the same thing. So now I can just switch between these two without actually logging in and logging out. You see again, business, business. And if I go like this, I can switch on and on, and I don't have to log in and log out. I can just basically stay logged in or log into only one account, and the other one is already connected to this one. How easy is that? So you can easily, again, switch between these accounts. You can add account, more accounts than one, of course. So there's another option for you. You don't have to just add one. You can add one basic and then add another accounts as many as you want. I don't think there is any limit, or Pinterest didn't specify any limit, but you can do it as you wish. And you can just have one basic account which you're going to connect with other ones and just switching between them. So you don't have to worry about any of these, and logging out, logging in without hassle and problems. You can just usually do it like this. This was step-by-step tutorial video how you can actually switch between profiles or add new accounts to the already existing one, or you can actually create also a new one if you want. You can see the video about creating new business profile here on the top, and you can just click and create new profile if you don't know how at this point. But for everybody else who already has two maybe accounts or maybe three accounts, you want to connect them this way and switch between them. This is the way how you can do it step by step. So I'm Michaela again, and this is my channel about Pinterest marketing and also online business. So if you like my videos, every Friday I'm posting new ones. Subscribe here so you get a notification when the new video is out. So I will see you in the next video next week.